Banyan Restorations is proud to invite you all to visit our new website, www.banyanrestorations.com. Here you can view our services, learn about who we are and how we got started, and shop for beautiful handmade chessboards, cutting boards, shop for furniture, order hand-turned pens, which makes a great gift, and other various items we have for sale. Drop us a line if you have any questions about custom furniture you would like us to make for you or services that we can provide. We also take appointments to assist you with your own custom designs to make your dreams become a reality. Take a look at our blog to keep up to date with our current projects or see what events we will be attending as vendors or buyers. Thank you for visiting banyanrestorations.com.